ma kenniex awareness fuq mental health x'inhi. Fimt, ġifieri kemm irridu għalli aħna nis the best. Aħna fajnejja għadna medieval times, fimt, tipo we're still like...
F'termini ta' xiex tara medieval times?
In terms of this is a... We're about to...
Vast. It's a vast question.
Oh, yes. So, I mean, in terms of anything, right? Why are we still lacking a proper public transport system, right? Why are we still fighting over enough għax tajni job mal-gvern? Fim, tipo, we should be worried about like whether or not, like, I don't know, we have enough bright people coming up in this world. Not, we shouldn't be fighting about, xtajta 70,000, right? It's wrong, right? So, I'm not, ma fim, ġiviri.
Suppost li il-naqbiz dak l-stage.
Dak l-stage, aħna inna li, fim, ġiviri, in this aspect, fim, li tant kem inħoss li aħna għadim fuq xurxin f'dil-island, f'dal-pajis, illi...
Ma ġviri chalk it down to għaw li il-popolazzjoni hija densa?
Le, li il-nafu l-xurxin, illi everyone knows each other. Illi, in computer science there's this thing which is called, the term I don't remember correctly, but basically what it is the graph of connected people. So basically, per eżempju, ma nafux, għajna jiddu li ma nafux il-ġuljen jena, ma biex inkun nafu, there's only one person connected to me.
Degrees of separation.
Degrees of separation, eżatt. And this is a problem in computer science because we study ways how we can sort of understand it better in computer science in terms of algorithms and stuff like that. The fact that we have such a low degree of separation in Malta, I think that keeps us behind.
Yeah.
Mostly because like you're not free, whether you like it or not, you're not free to think. You are programmed, I feel like in this country, right? Like you are programmed by your friends, by the media, you consume by everything. People want to look the same, right? People, I want to be accepted by looking the same as you. And why everyone has a fade bloody haircut.
Yeah.
You know?
Jina għall-tifel.
Imma that's the thing, fim, tipo aħna inħoss il-pers li kullħat fuq xurxin and għanda sabiħ taħħa u koll taġifiri li you're not just a number. No one in here is just a number.
True.
Whereas when you go to live in bigger countries, you're just another number.
Yeah.
But both have their own benefits. Jien nħara iktar u iktar li jiena lajt fwiedi biex niftaħ ħanut.
Mux ekku.
Sewa, mbagħad daw fehmt ġifieri da pjazza l-Mosta da qed nitkellmu, u għandha ħbiba tiegħi għandha ħanut hemmhekk, kafe wkoll, u tgħid li tipo da kif jista' jkun tipo hemmhekk tipo one of the most expensive areas to rent. Right? Tipo, let's be real.
Mela, tlaqna?